Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will cook chicken burger and I'll cook it like McD style, McDonald burger style. So keep on watching. To marinate the chicken, I will put some oil on a hot pan and I'll use two sliced onions, and I'll just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. That's all. I don't have to overcook it and I don't have to cook this. I just need the pinkish color of this onion. This exact color for the onion, and I'll just off the flame. Now in a grinder I will take 1 kg boneless chicken, and my grinder is a little bit small. I'll try to adjust it, and place this up in a plate. And now I need this onion and my other ingredients. Four smashed garlic, salt, ginger and chili paste, little bit of soy sauce. It's like 1 tablespoon or maybe, and a pinch of black pepper. So I soaked 2 bread slices in a little bit of milk, and I soaked it for 10 minutes now. I'll just give it into the mixture grinder. Check it once. Now I can still see the onions. I will give it again. And mix it up. So we marinate this chicken for almost 10 hours. Now she's my helping hand though. Okay, we will try to make some patty with this. I'll just zoom it for you to check. This is how it looks like. Okay, so FYI, I forgot to give 1 beaten egg there. So once you're mixing all of your ingredients all together in the mixer grinder, you make sure that you have to add 1 egg, and then you can grind it all together. So this is my bun size, because we have to make a patty exact this same size. So we'll make sure that not exact, maybe roundabout. My mother-in-law is making the patty. You can see the size, because I will not do that. And I already started heating my tawa. You have to use a flat tawa so that it would be easy for you to put the patty over there, and then you can flip it over and everything. Yep. Just like that. Try to spread it as far as I can. using refined oil. If you want, you can use extra virgin olive oil or simply olive oil. You can use it. I'm not using butter because we don't eat butter. Give our first patty, and we will try to cook this patty for 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Wow, it's nice. The more you marinate your chicken, the more juicy, the more flavor you will get of the patty. No, it's not ready, I guess. Or maybe it's ready. Just hold on. Just try to flip over. Yeah, fine. The other one. Now we will just soak the bun with a little bit of oil because this is absolutely nothing, so I have to make something. So I already put some oil on the pan and on the tawa. Just excess. And this bread was sliced already, so I haven't have to sliced it or something. It was already like in this way in the package. I got this from Big Basket though. I'll just add this. Just a little bit, not that much. But I just need the little bit of red things here inside the seat. Try to press it and do it with the hand. So now I'm making the burger sauce. So what I'll take 2 or 3 big spoon of mayonnaise. I'll add some ketchup, tomato ketchup in it. Little bit of Szechuan sauce, little bit, just for the taste. I'll try to mix this very good way. Yeah, this is how it looks like after mixing it up all together, like mayonnaise, the ketchup, and a little bit of Szechuan sauce. So this is how you need the burger sauce. Okay. So now I'll make the burger, ultimate burger. So I'll take the bottom one. The sauce I made earlier, I used that. I'll mix it. Yes. Just make it this way. And I'll use a patty. And a little bit of lettuce like this, and some onions, because in our house nobody prefer tomato, so that's why I'll not give tomato. Okay, a little bit of ketchup I already gave. Some of it wasn't working. And now the cheese slice. If you want, you can avoid the cheese slice. Don't want to give, you don't have to give. Alright, I'll just cover it up. And here goes our burger. I don't know how does it taste, how it will come out, I don't know. But this is what my burger looks like. See? Here's it. Hi, so I finally cooked our very own chicken burger, and the person who helped me to make this funny video, I have so many flaws. I make a lot of mistakes when I cook something, and this was the first time I tried cooking the chicken burger, and the only person who helped me all the time to cook, like a helping hand in my cooking, that's my mother-in-law. I'm going to show you how she used it. The lady who helped me out every time I cook something new. Kissing my hand with oil, just making a proper patty. I'll try to dip this one in a beaten egg properly. So if you like my video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I come and upload something on my YouTube channel, you will be the first one to see it. Bye.